Today we will discuss about another topic, that is the integration. What is integration and the types of integrals, that is indefinite integral and the definite integral. Stay with me, let us start. What is integration? Integration is defined as a continuous summation, or we say that it is the inverse of the differentiation. Inverse of differentiation is called as an integration, or we say that the process of finding actual function from it is the differential coefficient is called as integration. So there are the three definitions of the integration. One, it is defined as the actual continuous summation. But this is the summation, that is summation. Or we say that it is the inverse of the differentiation, inverse of differentiation, or the process of the finding actual function from its differential coefficient is called as integration, is called as integration. As this integration concept was first given by the Leibniz and Sir Isaac Newton. So the formula of the integration is that this is called as an integral. This is called as integral. The integral f of x tends to 0 d by dx of the f of x. So that is d by dx f of x. This is a differentiation. Differentiation, reverse of the differentiation is the integration. Reverse of differentiation is integration. And closed integral, that is integral f of x, that is f dash of x, where the f dash of x is called as a differential coefficient of the function f of x, f dash जो x होता है f dash x, that is called as a differential coefficient of the function f of x. So integral f dash of x into dx is equal to f of x. So this is total about the integration formula. ठीक है. Now the types of the integrals. First type of integral, that is called as an indefinite integral. An integral which is not bound with any limits. वो इंटीग्रल विच इज नॉट बाउंड विद एनी लिमिट, जिसमें कोई भी लिमिट नहीं होगा. फॉर एग्जांपल f of x dx is equal to f of x, that is 0 1. These are called as limits. In case of the indefinite integral, there are no limits. ठीक है. Or we say that an integral which is not bound with any limits is called as an indefinite integral. Example, integral f of x is equal to dx is equal to f of x. Definite integral, an integral which is bound with the some limits. Indefinite integral उस इंटीग्रल को हम कहते हैं जिसमें लिमिट्स होते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर लिमिट होगा that is pi, that is 2, and this is called as a lower limit, that is ll, and this is called as a ul, upper limit. ठीक है. These are called as a limits. An integral which is bound with the some limits. Example, x1 to x2. For example, that is integration from x1 to x2. This x1, that is called as a lower limit, and the x2, this is called as a lower upper limit. dx is equal to fx plus c, where c is called as a constant of differentiation. यहाँ पर जो बच्चों c होता है इसे हम बोलते हैं constant of differentiation, constant of integration. तो रूल क्या है इंटीग्रेशन का? इंटीग्रल x power n into dx is equal to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, where n is not equal to -1. तो इसको हम कन्वर्ट करते हैं into the logarithm form, into the logarithmic form. ठीक है. This is the formal rule of the integration, that is integration of x power n is equal to that is x n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. ये फार्मूला हमें अप्लाई करनी है न्यूमेरिकल्स में. ठीक है. इंटीग्रेट द फॉलोइंग टर्म्स. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पर हम इनकी इंटीग्रेशन कर लेते हैं. एक्स क्यूब, दैट इज इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ एक्स क्यूब इंटू डी एक्स. तो ये फार्मूला बनेगी, दैट इज एक्स पावर एन इंटू डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू दैट इज एक्स एन प्लस 1 डिवाइडेड बाई एन प्लस 1. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पर डिफरेंशिएशन इसकी इंटीग्रेशन कर लेते हैं, दैट इज x cube into dx is equal to that is x 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 is equal to x power 4 divided by 4. ठीक है. x power 4, 3 plus 1, that is 4 divided by 4. Now the integration of the x square, that is x square into dx is equal to x power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1, that is x 2 plus 1, that is 3 divided by 3. This is the integration of the x square, Now the integration of the constant, that is c into x power 0, c into x power 0, integration of c into x power 0 into dx is equal to c integration of x power 0 into dx. c बाहर निकलेगा, closed integration of that is x0 plus 1 divided by 0 plus 1, that is c integration of x divided by 1, that is cx bata 1, that is cx. Okay, this is the differentiation of integration of constant. Now the integration of x, integration of x dx is equal to this x1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1, that is x square bata 2. This is the integration of x, ठीक है. इंटीग्रेट द nx n minus 1 विद रेस्पेक्ट टू x. बच्चों ये वाली जो nx n minus 1 ये किसकी इंटीग्रेशन है? ये डिफरेंशिएशन है x पावर n की, ठीक है. x पावर n की जो डिफरेंशिएशन होती है दैट इज nx n minus 1. इसकी हम क्या कर लेते हैं? इंटीग्रेशन विद रेस्पेक्ट टू x. इंटीग्रल ऑफ द nx n minus 1 into dx इज इक्वल टू, यहाँ पर फार्मूला बनेगी दैट इज x पावर n इज इक्वल टू, इन केस ऑफ द इंटीग्रेशन that is x n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, that is nx n minus 1 plus 1 divided by n minus 1 plus 1. so, यहाँ पर n बाहर निकलेगा, इंटीग्रेशन हो जाएगा x पावर n डिवाइडेड बाय n कैंसिल हो जाएगा, दैट इज nx n minus 1 into dx. ये किसकी डिफरेंशिएशन होती है? x पावर n की. तो इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगी इसकी? nx n minus 1 plus 1 divided by n minus 1 plus 1. Integrate the a into e power ax with respect to the x. a into e power x into dx. a into e power x dx is equal to e power ax d by dx of the e raised power ax. यहाँ से a को बाहर निकालते हैं, closed integral of the e power ax into dx, ax into dx. That is a e power ax 1 by d by dx of the ax into log of e. log of e किसके बराबर होता है? That is 1. So a into e power ax into 1 by a by d by dx of the x into 1. Because log e power to the 0 that is equal to 1. That is a e power ax into 1 by a into 1. a cancel हो जाएगा, that is e power ax. So जो इंटीग्रेशन जो होती है a into e a power x की, that is the a power e x. ठीक है. Now the integration of the 9 power e x, इंटीग्रल ऑफ द 9 इंटू ई ए पावर एक्स इंटू डी एक्स. 9 को बाहर निकालते हैं, दैट इज ई 9x इंटू डी एक्स. 9 ई पावर एक्स इंटू 1 बाई डी एक्स ऑफ द एक्स, दैट इज लॉग ऑफ ई इज इक्वल टू 1. 9 ई पावर एक्स इंटू 1 बाई 9 इंटू डी एक्स ऑफ एक्स इंटू 1, लॉग ऑफ ई इज इक्वल टू 1. 9 ई पावर एक्स इंटू 1 बाई 9 इज इक्वल टू, दैट इज 9 कैंसल, ई पावर एक्स इंटू 1 दैट इज ई पावर 9x. तो किसकी डिफरेंशिएशन है? इंटीग्रेशन, दैट इज 9.9 into e power a x की जो इंटीग्रेशन है दैट इज e power 9x. नाउ द इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ द cos x, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ द cos x dx दैट इज sin x, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ द cos x दैट इज sin x. ठीक है. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ द sin x दैट इज माइनस cos x एंड द इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ द e power sin x. e power sin x into dx is equal to e power sin x into 1 by sin x into log of e. That is integral of the e power sin x into dx is equal to e power sin x 1 by cos x into 1. यहाँ पर जो log e होता है ये किसके बराबर होता है? 1 के बराबर. ठीक है. दैट इज इंटीग्रल ऑफ द e पावर sin x into dx is equal to e power sin x divided by cos x. ठीक है. दिस इज द इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ द sin x and the cos x, e power sin x. Integration of the e power cos x, integration of the e power cos x into dx, that is e power cos x into 1 by dx of the cos x into log of e. Integral of e power cos x into dx is equal to e power cos x 1 by minus sin x d by dx of the x into 1. Log of e is equal to 1. d by dx, that is dx by dx, that is 1, and log of 1 that is equal to 1. Sin x minus sin x. Integral of the e power cos x into dx is equal to e power cos x divided by minus sin x. Note 1 by x by dx of the dx by log of x is equal to log of x. Log of x की जो इंटीग्रेशन that is 1 by x. इफ द एफ ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू एक्स प्लस वन फाइंड द इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ द एक्स प्लस वन। अगर आपके पास कोई फंक्शन है एफ ऑफ एक्स दैट इज एक्स प्लस वन, तो इसकी इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगी एक्स प्लस वन की। पहले हम यहाँ पर एक ग्राफ बना लेते हैं एक्स एक्सिस एंड द वाई एक्सिस, ठीक है, दिस इज द एक्स एक्सिस एंड द वाई एक्सिस। टेक द पॉइंट इज दैट इज 1 2 3 1 2 3 और 4 5 -1 -2 -3 -4 that is integral of the 0 to 2 integration of the 0 to 2 that is upper limit and this is called as lower limit x plus 1 dx। इंटीग्रल x माइनस डी एक्स प्लस 1 बाई डी एक्स दैट इज इंटीग्रल, यहाँ पर फॉर्मूला बनेगी दैट इज x पावर n इज इक्वल टू n प्लस 1 डिवाइडेड बाई n प्लस 1, 1 प्लस 1 डिवाइडेड बाई 1 प्लस 0 to 2 दैट इज इंटीग्रेशन फ्रॉम 0 to 2 यानी अपर लोअर लिमिट माइनस अपर लिमिट प्लस 1 माइनस x 0 to 2 दैट इज x इंटू एक्स दैट इज एक्स स्क्वायर बाई 2 का स्क्वायर प्लस 1 माइनस एक्स का स्क्वायर 0 to 2 दैट इज 1 बाई 2 बाहर निकलेगा एक्स स्क्वायर 0 to 2 प्लस एक्स 0 to 2 1 बाई 2 2 का स्क्वायर माइनस 0 स्क्वायर प्लस 2 माइनस 2 दैट इज 1 बाई 2 बाहर निकलेगा दैट इज 2 स्क्वायर दैट इज 4 प्लस 2 2 1 और 2 2 और 4 2 प्लस 2 दैट इज 4 4 इज द इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ दिस एक्स प्लस 1, ठीक है, दिस इज अ ग्राफ, दिस इज ग्राफ। Evaluate the integral from 1 to 5 x square into dx. This is called as a lower limit and this is called as upper limit. This is called as upper limit, ठीक है। So evaluate the integral from 1 to 5 x square into dx is equal to that is x cube divided by 3, ठीक है, 1 to 5 1 to 5। तो ये x क्यूब कैसे आ गया बच्चों, यहाँ पर x पावर n दैट इज n प्लस 1 डिवाइडेड बाई n प्लस 1, n की जगह क्या है 2 दैट इज 2 प्लस 1 दैट इज 3x 3 डिवाइडेड बाई 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1 divided by 3 x cube by 3 1 to 5 that is 1 by 3 5 cube minus 1 cube is equal to 1 by 5 5 को क्यूब जब हम करेंगे 5 into 5 into 5 that is 125 minus 1 is equal to 125 minus 1 124 divided by 3। This is the integration of this x square into dx। Now the integration of the 0 to pi by 2 that is 0 is the lower limit, pi by 2 is the upper limit, sin x into dx that is minus cos x 0 pi to 2 cos of pi by 2 minus cos of theta that is cos pi by 2 that is 0 minus cos theta that is 1 that is plus 1 that is plus 1 d by dx of the x square integration of the x square that is integral of the d by dx of the x square that is 2x इंटीग्रल ऑफ द 2x into dx पहले 2 को बाहर निकालेंगे x पावर 1 into dx that is 2x 1 plus 1 that is x पावर n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 2x 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 यहाँ पर ये फार्मूला बनेगी x पावर n की, ठीक है, that is nx n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 that is 2x 1 plus 1 that is 2x square by 2 2 2 cancel x square is the integration of the 2x into dx integration of the x into dx x square by 2 plus minus 3 integral of the x into dx is equal to 1 by 2 x square by 2 0 to 1 that is 1 by 2 1 is equal to 1 by 2 is the integration of the x into 2x x square by 2। बच्चों वीडियो अगर अच्छा लगे तो वीडियो को शेयर लाइक कमेंट करना और हमारे चैनल ऑन एकेडमी पे क्या करना सब्सक्राइब। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।